Hi there, welcome to this week's online class. This week I decided to do a little bit of a abs circuits workout for you. So I've put together 6 exercises that we're going to do. We're going to do 40 seconds on each exercise, 10 seconds rest in between to move on to the next one, and you're going to do that 4 rounds. There's going to be a minute rest in between each round. Okay, so it should be about 25 minutes worth of work here. Okay, so make sure you've got a mat. Otherwise you could do it on the carpet, but the tiled floor without a mat is not very comfortable. So the first exercise that we're going to do, I think I'm just going to set up the timer and we're going to go through them as we go. Okay, so the first exercise is going to be a bird dog. You need to be on all 4s for this first exercise.
Starting your top it off.
3
cycles workout.
Come on to all 4s. You want to brace through your core, so you're taking your opposite hand and leg off, pausing at the top there, bracing through your core, and then controlling that movement back down. Bracing again, taking it away, pausing at the top, 2, 3, bringing it back down. Deep breath in, brace, push away, 2, 3, bringing it back down. Should be feeling that all through your abdomen. Breathe in, push away, 2, 3, bring it back down. Deep breath in, push away, 2, 3, bring it back down. Breathe in,
rest.
2, 3, bring it back down. Right, next one we've got around the world. So you're lying on your back, pushing your lower back onto the floor, taking these feet off. So we're going to draw a circle with your feet. Try not to let your lower back come up off the floor, and then back around and around. Make sure you've got enough room for your feet to move around. Try and keep that lower back down. Ooh. My shoulders want to come up off the floor. And around. And around. Ooh.
Rest.
Oh. Right. Now we're going to do a straight leg sit up. You can hook your feet under something if you need, if your feet are coming up off the ground. So we're reaching forward, we're really slowly curling your spine onto the floor and then pushing back up again. Nice controlled movement down and then straight back up again. About 5 seconds to come down. 5. And then push back up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push back up again. Really starting to feel this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Push back up again.
Rest.
Okay, so next one is a marching dead bug. You're pushing your lower back onto the floor, reaching those hands up to the ceiling. You take your head up off the floor.
Exercise.
Take these knees up. We're coming back like this. It's like the opposite to that bird dog that we were doing. Oh, that hurts my abs. Opposite arm to leg. If you're finding this a bit too hard, just do one leg and then the other leg. Bring it back. Try not to crunch them in too close. Oh, killer. Oh my God. Keep that lower back down. Brace. And then the other.
Rest.
Try not to cycle it out. Okay, rotating V crunch. So, it's taking these
Exercise.
in, ooh, in, away, in. So I'm putting my knees towards my shoulder rather than straight in. So it's like the opposite, and you're so you're bringing your shoulder to your knees as well, crunching it in. And then away, and then in, away, in, away, in. How long left? Couple more. Yes. Okay, lying leg raise to finish it off. Oh, I'm going to feel this tomorrow. Lower back push onto the floor. Take these feet up off the floor.
Exercise.
Pushing up and away. Up and away. Up and away. Oh. Oh, my abs are starting to cramp. Try not to keep your hands under your bum. Push up and away. Up and away. Up and away.
Rest.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh, that's really hard. Okay. Oh, feeling those little abbies popping out. A bit of air in here. So warm. Okay, grab some water. You've got a minute rest. Right, just going to adjust the times on this now. We're going to take it down. 30 seconds. I think that's long enough. For abs? Oh my god. What was I thinking? Okay, so get yourself ready. We're going back into that bird dog.
Join the Ulster Orchestra for its
Right. So,
Starting
all
your
fours.
tempo. 3 cycles workout. Get ready.
Brace, deep breath in.
Exercise.
1, 2, 3. Bring it back down. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Bring it back in. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Sit. Deep breath. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you're wanting to balance and using your core to hold you there. Okay, onto your back again, around the world. Lower back pushed into the floor. Take these feet up. We draw in a circle. Around and then back the other way. Keep them pushed away. You don't want them, your feet over your hips. You want them just past your hips. There.
Rest.
Oh, goodness. Straight leg sit up next. So we're starting sitting up. Ankles pinned to the floor. Reaching forward.
Exercise.
Curling your spine onto the floor. Back up. Controlling it down. And back up.
Rest.
Good, right, stay down there. We've got Deadbug next. So, lower back push onto the floor, hands reaching up, take these feet off.
Exercise.
1 foot down, keep the other knee where it is. Oh, keep that lower back push into the ground. You don't want to feel it coming up off the floor. Keeping those right angles in those joints. Oh my goodness. Okay. Rotating V crunch. I can't think of any other name for this really. Okay.
Exercise.
So keep those hands back there. In. 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 That's it. So knee to opposite shoulder. Okay. That's it, and then you're bringing your shoulder forward as well. Oh.
Rest.
Okay. Lying leg raise, last one.
Exercise.
Push those feet up, push them away. Up and away. Try and take that bum up off the floor and feel your lower back on the floor. You don't want it to come up. Deep breath. Keep pushing. Oh, can you tell I never do ab work? Okay. Oh, cram. Right, grab some water. Got 2 more rounds. I'm hoping the warm weather will actually start soon. I'm so sick of the cold. Okay, right. Bird dog first. Got 10 seconds. So get yourself into your position on all fours. Deep breath through this.
Exercise.
1, 2, 3. Bring it back in. Push away. 1, 2, 3. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rest.
Okay, right. Around the world. Oh, right, get ready. Lower back push down, drawing those circles. Try and get those circles nice and wide. I don't have a lot of room. There's a jade tree here that doesn't want to be knocked. I've been warned. Straight leg sit up into your sitty position. Ankles pinned to the floor. Reaching forward.
Exercise.
Curling your spine onto the floor. Nearly there. One more.
Rest.
Oh, we're just going to stay down here. So, marching dead bug. Hands reaching up. Take his feet off. Keep that knee where it is. You don't want it kind of crunching in. Oh, push through it. Oh. Here's a dog. Hi, boy. Oh, hello, mate. You can do some abs with me. You're going to do it for me. I don't want to do it. Right, into your crunch V position.
Exercise.
Right, knees to opposite shoulder. Oh, goodness me. Oh. got lying leg raise next. I'm hoping that's not stopped. No, it's fine. The screen went dark. Okay, lower back push into the ground. Up and away. Hi, baby. Up and away. Oh, I know, I'm patting you. Oh, up and away. Oh, he's got sick of me. Oh, I'm not doing a good enough job, apparently. Oh. Oh, oh goodness.
Recovery.
Right, we've got one more round and then we're done. Water. Okay. Right, we've got 10 seconds, boy. You can do bird dog with me? Pigeon dog? You're good at the dog part.
Exercise.
1, 2, 3. Deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Deep breath. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rest.
Okay, around the world. Lower back, push down. Take these feet up. Draw in those circles. Oh. Oh, goodness. Nearly there. Oh. Straight leg sit up. Ankles pinned to the ground. Reaching forward.
Exercise.
Let's go. Excuse me. Don't let these ribs flare out. Oh, we're going to stay down there. Okay. More back push into the floor. Sun blinding me now. Reaching up.
Exercise.
Let's go. Oh, these bee crunches. Okay,
Exercise.
knees to opposite shoulder. Oh goodness, oh, my hips as well. Oh, couple more. Oh,
Rest.
okay, 9 leg raises now. Last ones. Lower back push down. Hold it.
Exercise.
Push up. And away. Ooh. Ah. Get that bum up off the floor. Oh, deep breath. Let's go. Couple more.
Rest.
Goodness. Oh, little Abby's popping through. Oh.
Recovery.
Okay, you can stop now.
Workout reset.
Okay. That's that. I think that's quite enough abs for one day. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed it, give us a like, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.